The Harley-Davidson Factory Race Team is set to embark on its 2024 season, introducing a dynamic video featuring riders Kyle Wyman and James Rispoli aboard newly prepared 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide motorcycles. These bikes are based on the innovative touring platform for the MotoAmerica Mission King of the Baggers Road Racing Series. The video, debuting on the Harley-Davidson YouTube channel and other social platforms, provides an exclusive glimpse behind the scenes, amplifying the series' fun and irreverence. A notable addition to the 2024 Mission King of the Baggers Championship is a special round during the third round of the FIM MotoGP World Championship at Circuit of the Americas in Austin, Texas. This marks the first international showcase of the Thundering King of the Baggers bikes in competition, expanding the 2024 Mission King of the Baggers schedule to 18 races. The event includes 2 points-paying races and a 3-lap mission challenge, where the 6 fastest qualifiers compete for a $5,000 winner-take-all purse. Wyman and Rispoli will pilot race-prepared 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide motorcycles, featuring modified Screamin' Eagle Milwaukee 8131 performance crate engines. These bikes, based on the all-new 2024 Road Glide model, boast a sleek next-generation shark nose fairing design. Constructed with lightweight forged carbon fiber, similar to the 2024 CVO Road Glide ST model, the race motorcycles also include upgraded suspension components, Screamin' Eagle/Öhlins remote reservoir rear shocks, competition Screamin' Eagle exhaust, Brembo racing braking systems, Marcassini wheels, and premium Harley-Davidson racing components by Protolabs. The team's livery pays homage to the classic legendary racing orange color associated with Harley-Davidson Factory Team racing bikes. Wyman, a pivotal figure returning for his 4th season with the Harley-Davidson Factory Race Team, boasts an impressive record as the most successful racer in MotoAmerica King of the Baggers history. With 12 total race wins and a 3rd-place finish in the 2023 season championship, Wyman's accolades include winning the Daytona 200 in 2019. Joining the team for the 2024 season, Rispoli comes off a strong 2023 performance, securing 2nd place in King of the Baggers Series points while riding for the Vance and Hines Harley-Davidson team. His achievements in 2023 include 2 race wins and multiple podium finishes, adding to his reputation earned as Hogs Polly after winning the 2020 American Flat Track Production Twins Championship. The Harley-Davidson Factory Race Team's 2024 season is backed by sponsors such as Mission Foods, Rockford Fosgate, Brembo, Öhlins, Protolabs, SYN3 Lubricants, and Screamin' Eagle Performance Parts and Accessories. The MotoAmerica King of the Baggers Series promises thrilling competition among American V-twin touring motorcycles, equipped with fairings, windscreens, and saddlebags. The 2024 series spans 18 races across 9 doubleheader weekends, commencing at Daytona International Speedway on March 7th to 9th. The series includes iconic locations like Circuit of the Americas, Road America, WeatherTech Raceway Laguna Seca, and New Jersey Motorsports Park. The season concludes on September 27th to 29th at New Jersey Motorsports Park in Millville, New Jersey.